In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit business card template in Canva. Open your web browser and head to Canva. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so your edits save as you work. On the Canva homepage, use the search bar and type business cards. This brings up a range of designs. Switch to the templates view so you're browsing ready-made layouts rather than starting from scratch. Scroll through the options and look for a style that matches the vibe you want. Minimal, modern, bold, or classic. If you're using a free plan, pick a design without a crown icon so you won't run into paid elements later. When you found one you like, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Start editing by clicking directly on the text. Replace the placeholder name with your own, then update your job title or position. To change the logo, go to the left sidebar and open Uploads. Then choose Upload Files. Select your logo from your device and wait for it to finish uploading. Once it appears in your Uploads panel, click and drag it onto the existing logo on the card to replace it. Use the corner handles to resize and align it neatly so everything looks balanced. Update the company or business name next. Then review the contact details on the card and replace any placeholders with the correct information, such as your email address, contact number, physical location, and website. Keep the formatting consistent and double-check spelling, capitalization, and spacing so it looks professional. If the template includes a backside, select that page in the editor and make the same updates there. Swap the logo again and update the company name so both sides match. This consistency helps your design feel cohesive. You can personalize the colors too. Click on the card's background to select it, then choose the color tile that appears in the toolbar. Scroll through the color options and pick a shade that aligns with your brand. Aim for good contrast so text stays readable against the background. Finally, adjust the font style to match your brand personality. Click any text box, open the font drop-down, and browse the list. Scroll and select a font that's clean and legible at small sizes. Keep headings and body text complementary for a polished look. That's it. By choosing a suitable template, replacing the content, updating visuals, and fine-tuning color and typography, you'll have a professional business card ready to go.